Dear IIT JEE and NEET's parents, it's really great and wonderful feeling that this world is again returning back to normalcy. Life is again coming back to normalcy. We here at Newton Academy, we are also ramping up our every resources so that our students should clear their IIT JEE and NEET examination with good ranks and good percentile.
What has been primary motivation for starting this academy?
See, I am working here in this area, in this Pune region for last 4 years, and I must say that here what you call the raw talent, the students, quality of students really, that is quite impressive. Only problem is that this place is bit far from the outskirt area of this Pune. So what the students are facing problem here is that again for this quality education for this IIT JEE and NEET, they have to go to this Pune or this Hadapsar, that is 15 to 20 kilometers far from here. Also the another problem is financial resource crunch. Students or the parents, they are unable to pay that much of money. So the key driving force out here for us, for our collaborators, for our friends who are really good educators, was some social initiative input also. We were planning that yes, there must be some kind of this organization who should not only cater for this quality education in that professional manner, but also that must be some social initiatives, some social responsibility to serve for. And that's why we started here. Because here we are also supporting the students who are economically from this weaker background, and parallelly we are supporting the students who can crack this IIT JEE examination.
What makes it different from other institutes?
See, if you ask me or our friends, educators here, are we doing any different things? Of course not. We are not doing any different things. I will say that we are doing the same thing in a different manner. One thing, whatever or wherever we have worked, that was a big organization. We all have this ample experience in working in big IIT JEE and NEET organization.